Hello, Teacher Tina here, and I have a very exciting announcement for you today. This video was made in collaboration with VIPKid as a brand ambassador video, so you can rest assured that everything in this video has been fully approved by VIPKid. Alright, so one of the main questions that I get from teachers is, how do I get a leadership role in VIPKid, right? Because so many of us love VIPKid, but we want more. We want to do something bigger than just teaching our students. So how do we go about getting a position like a mock class mentor or a workshop mentor or helping to develop the curriculum? How do we do this? Now, I'll admit, in the past, the process was a little unclear, but that fog is lifting, my friends, because we are introducing, drumroll please, the VIPKid Builders Program. So I'm going to break down this video into 4 sections for you based on questions. Question 1. What is the VIPKid Builders Program? Section 2, what are the roles within the program? Section 3, what are the basic requirements to apply? And Section 4, how do I know when a role is available so that I can apply? All right, and be sure to stick around until the end because I interviewed a couple of cool teachers who actually have roles within the program so that you can hear a little bit about what it's like to be a VIPKid builder. All right, let's get started. Section 1, what is the VIPKid Builders Program? So the VIPKid Builders Program is the opportunity for high-performing teachers to get more involved with the company and the community. So there is a variety of roles, but this is basically your chance to build something great, to be a part of the collective pioneering spirit of VIPKid. Section 2, what are the roles within the program? So the VIPKid Builders Program is really broken down into 3 types of programs. The first type is the Create programs, the second type is the Promote programs, and the third type is the Support programs. Let's break it down a little more. So the Create programs basically give VIPKid teachers the chance to be involved in the development of products and curricula that our students use every day. It's very, very exciting. Right now, the first 2 roles in this program are the Product Advisory Council and the Curriculum Reviewer. But there are more roles to come. The Promote programs are a VIPKid teacher's way to promote VIPKid to both prospective teachers and current teachers. It's basically your way to share the love and connect people. So those 3 roles in the Promote program are local leaders, community ambassadors, and brand ambassadors. The third type of VIPKid Builders Program is the Support programs. So this is basically your way to support other teachers on their VIPKid journeys. So those roles currently include a mock class mentor, a workshop mentor, and a fast pass coach. It's important to note that each of these programs is run by a different team within VIPKid. So the application process will look a little different depending on which role you are applying for. But every single role has the same set of basic requirements. Which brings me to Section 3. What are the basic requirements to apply? So before you can even be considered for any of these roles, you must fulfill these 3 requirements. Number 1, 1,000 classes taught. Number 2, a 4.90 Apple rating. And number 3, a 5.0 participation rating. What does it mean to have a 5.0 participation rating? All that means is that you have no teacher cancellations, teacher no-shows, or teacher IT issues within the last 30 days. And you can check this rating for yourself on your portal by going to the stats page, like so. Section 4. How do I know when a role is available so that I can apply? Believe it or not, you can already find this information on your teacher's portal in the Certification Center. Soon, you'll even be able to sign up for notifications so that you're sure that you don't miss your chance. Note that the contracts for these programs can be between 3 and 6 months in length. Some of them are able to be renewed and some of them are one-time contracts. And the best part of all is that you can be involved in more than one program at a time. Even if it's not your time yet to be a part of one of these programs, you can still be involved in VIPKid. You can still refer your friends and help them along the way, and you can also host meetups. VIPKid can help you and provide support so that you can have a really awesome meetup. I hope that now you're as excited about the VIP Kid Builders program as I am. So I did promise you, don't go away, please. I did promise you 2 quick interviews with teachers who already have pretty cool roles within the company. So first up, I'm going to show you a clip of my interview with Shannon. Hi, Shannon.
Hello.
Thanks for meeting with me. I know you're super busy. So a lot of people already know who you are because your face is everywhere in VIP Kid, but I would just like to hear for myself and for anybody watching what else you have done in VIP Kid besides being an amazing teacher. So can you just talk about that for a minute for me, please?
Yeah, totally. I started with VIPKid about 2.5 years ago. And about 6 months after that, I had the privilege of starting to be a teacher mentor. Well, back then we were teacher evaluators and then became mentors. And really in that department, what we always did a lot of things having to do with quality. So a lot of teaching quality. We used to watch videos in the past, and then we started with a lot of different programs. Some people remember our new teacher kickoff meetings. And so a lot of cool opportunities over the past 2 years have opened up. Just kind of having to work and, keep doing the best that you can. That's kind of been my motto for the past 2 years, just do the best I can to help VIPKid. And that eventually, after about 7-8 months, got me into the position of starting the workshops. We started our workshops about 18 months ago, early 2017. And since then, it's been a really great experience. I've had the opportunity to probably have around 20,000 teachers go through one of my workshops, probably somewhere around there. Number I had to figure out the other day, and which is pretty cool to think that I've had the opportunity to talk to that many teachers and get to know them, get to know their lives, and try and just give some examples. I learned so much stuff from workshops. I learned so many things from the teachers that come into my workshops, which I think is awesome. But kind of giving them as much as I can to help them carry that into their personal teaching, trying to take some things from them to bring into my own personal teaching. And it's been a really nice opportunity to get to be a part of that team and kind of just work my way up to being a regular workshop mentor. It's been really fun.
Right. And talking about fun, I mean, I have attended a lot of workshops, and I can honestly say that I've learned something from every single workshop, but your workshops are just plain fun. Like people are laughing hysterically throughout your workshop while they're also learning a lot. So I know I love going to your workshops, and I love that you have found ways to, expand beyond just teaching your students. And I think that's really something to reach for a lot of us teachers, is just another way to get plugged in. So thank you so much for sharing with the other teachers in the workshops and for sharing with us today just a little bit about yourself, Shannon. It's just been so great talking with you.
Awesome. Thank you.
Right. Thanks, Shannon.
Bye.
Bye. For real though, when you get the chance, go to one of Shannon's workshops. I might even see you in one. I've attended all of them, but she is just so funny that I keep going back for more. And I learned something valuable in every single workshop. Okay, so I've talked about Shannon, who is a workshop mentor. Now let's take a look at a clip of my interview with teacher Karen. Hi, Karen.
Hi, Tina. Thanks for having me today.
Absolutely. Thank you for joining me. I know that you're super busy. So besides teaching for VIPKid, what else do you do with VIPKid?
I am also a FastPass coach here in my local area of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania.
That's awesome. So can you tell us what that means to be a FastPass coach?
Absolutely. Once a month, VIPKid hosts in-person, hands-on, skill-based sessions where we are able to get together with our local teacher community and give them practice in our teaching portal to prepare them to succeed in the certification center.
Wow, awesome. So you help people through the hiring process. That's awesome. So what would you say, Karen, is your favorite thing about being a FastPass coach?
I think it's wonderful to be able to see who your teacher community is. It's a wonderful opportunity, and also you're able to pretty much help and guide potential VIPKid teachers who have passed the application stage and just show them what the job is about. It's wonderful. Maybe just share the love of teaching and just being able to guide them to this with the skills they need to succeed.
Awesome. That sounds so great. Thank you so much, Karen, for joining me, and I hope that you have a great week.
Thanks, Tina. You too.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.
Bye. There you have it, folks. I hope that you enjoyed hearing about those different opportunities. To hear from different teachers, I encourage you to check out Nancy Taylor's video. Nancy Taylor is also a VIPKid teacher and a brand ambassador. I've linked her video below. Basically, VIPKid thought that this topic, the VIPKid Builders Program, was so important that they wanted to get it in front of as many teachers as possible. So I encourage you to hop over to her channel, the link is below, and watch her video too. Okay. So thank you so much for sticking with me through this video. I hope that you find a role that's perfect for you so that you can get even more involved with VIPKid. Quickly, if you will, I would love if you would give me a thumbs up on this video if you're excited about these opportunities. And then also, I'd love to hear a comment. Answer the question, how do you want to get involved with VIPKid? How do you want to get involved with VIPKid? Leave me a comment below. I look forward to reading it. Thank you so much. Happy teaching and happy building. Bye.